Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off switch zoom region using keyboard shortcuts on iPhone X. But first, can subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then on the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the zoom. Then in this part in the zoom, scroll down again and go to this section and then tap the keyboard shortcuts. Then in the keyboard shortcuts, find the switch zoom region. As you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. Use the symbols to change zoom region styles. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off switch zoom region using keyboard shortcuts on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!